Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your money to your Binance account step by step. This process can also be called depositing. So in order to deposit or add money to your Binance account, you first open up Binance, click on this deposit here, or rather the yellow deposit here as well. They both serve the same purpose. But if you click on this deposit, you'll be shown to deposit either currencies that are cryptos, that's cryptocurrencies, that if you have any available somewhere else, or if you want to add money, that's your cash, like from your bank app to your Binance account, you simply need to click on cash. You scroll down till you see your native currency or whatever currency you might have your money in. And let's say I want to deposit some Nigerian naira. It loads up and you deposit through bank transfer. You click on bank transfer, yes, or an e-wallet if you have anyone available. You select you add your bank information and your phone number and some other required bank details. And once that's done, you enter the amount you want to deposit. Call it 50,000 of the Nigerian naira. It's what I want to deposit. You click on continue. You fill in this information, and once that's done, you just simply send to the account that would be listed for this transaction. And that can be done quite easily. The transfer is not difficult. All you need to do is send to the account you're required to deposit your local currency in. And now let's say you want to deposit Euro or GBP. You click on Euro. You still give it some time to load in. You deposit with your bank card, or you select other methods, that's add Vcash account balance, and you click on continue. You'll be required to put in your bank details or your card details, that's if necessary. So guys, that is how you can simply add money or deposit in your Binance accounts. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to go about this process, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.